Welcome back. Continuing the news. Call center employees can sue their employers. That's argument from attorneys as complaints continue to climb about harsh working conditions in the BPO sector. Romarda Lyons reports.
Salary changes, unjust working conditions, mental stress. Just a few of the many complaints being made by call center workers about the conditions they endure. The BPO sector is offering many entry-level youngsters a significant opportunity to have jobs that provide both revenue and work experience. Those are the words of the Labour Ministry. But it seems more and more that the offering is modern-day slavery, with repeated discourse about labour laws being breached. There are often reports about workers being denied breaks or overtime pay. Even outstanding redundancy payments have come up. Does that automatically amount to a violation?
Interestingly, just recently, there was a case involving a call center worker or BPO worker wherein the court awarded over $500,000 because she was not paid her redundancy payment.
Employment law is an issue of contract. If it is that you would have contracted to do something and you would have contracted out of your overtime, then you don't have a case. But you can have a case if your employment contract says you are entitled to 1 hour break, you took your hour break and then you're terminated, a case would exist there.
As at 2025, the BPO sector employed 60,000 people locally. In 2023, this Gleaner article said it was projected to hit 75,000 by 2028. Now the attorneys say if claims are properly documented, employees can mount cases against employers.
If it's a case where you are subjected to unfavorable working conditions and you're working and you're not being compensated properly, whatever the case may be, an employee can take legal actions.
The Labour Relations and Industrial Disputes Act, the Employment, Termination and Redundancy Payments Act, some legislation that may determine the penalties employers can face.
If it is that we're saying there is a breach under the Employment Termination Act, then certainly we have options for repayment, we have options for rehiring, we have options even for prosecution.
Civil liability, administrative sanctions, and even criminal penalties depending on the nature and the severity of the violation.
Certainly, if your facts do allow for it, there's enough law to protect each and every one of us.
This was Labour Minister Pernell Charles Jr. during the social issues debate ahead of the 2025 general elections.
Through the inspectorate at the Ministry of Labour, we ensure to speak to employers and employees and to monitor to make sure that where there are any abuses, we take the necessary steps immediately.
These agencies, these organizations have to follow the law just like every other company that exists and do business in Jamaica.
Romarda Lyons, TVJ News.